Well, good morning. Well, if you haven't seen this smallest microchip ever, you're just wait till you see this. I saw it first on Under the Stars, but many have been covering it, including NPR, where this man says that we think that we beat nature. Wow. They really want to be like gods, but they can't. But just watch. This is so interesting. It's going to blow your mind.
Engineers studied how maple trees and other types of seeds were dispersed by wind. They made the aerodynamics of the microflyer better so that it falls slowly and stays in the air for a long time when it is dropped slowly and stays in the air for a long time when it is dropped from a high place. This way, it can be used to check air pollution and airborne diseases. Highly functional, small electronic devices capable of detecting the environment for contamination monitoring, population surveillance, or disease tracking, said Northwestern's John A. Population surveillance, or disease. Most monitoring technologies involve bulk instrumentation designed to collect data locally at a small number of locations across a spatial area of interest, Rogers said.
I couldn't play a lot of that, they might take it down, but you heard them. Population surveillance. Just unbelievable what they're doing and how small they're capable of making these things. Listen for that. I'll leave the link. And also, you might want to take a look at this. It's at the 39-minute mark. I'm going to play a little bit. Just listen.
As I've trained as a physician scientist, we've been living this phenomenal digital and scientific revolution. And I'm here today to tell you that we're actually hacking the software of life and that it's changing the way we think about prevention and treatment of disease. So here's all the biology you need to know in 30 seconds. Our body is made out of organs. Our organs are made out of cells. And in every cell, there's this thing called messenger RNA, or mRNA for short, that transmits the critical information from the DNA, our genes, to the protein, which is really the stuff we're all made out of. This is the critical information that determines what a cell will actually do. And so we think of it like an operating system. And it's not just in every cell of our body, it's actually in every cell of every organism alive. It's the same thing. And so if you could actually change that, which we call the software of life, if you could introduce a line of code or change a line of code, it turns out that has profound implications for everything. We're hoping to start the clinical trials in the near future, and the idea is the same thing here. If you think about what it is we're trying to do, we've taken information and our understanding of that information and how that information is transmitted in a cell. And we've taken our understanding of medicine and how to make drugs, and we're fusing the two. We think of it as information therapy.
And that TED Talk was back in 2017. Just think about that for a minute. I know you guys understand everything that I'm talking about, but there still are many who do not, and that's why I'm sharing. All right, that's a quick look and a reminder to always test everything. Research. And the only one to trust blindly is our Lord. That's it. No one else. All right, have a great day. Have more to come. God bless you. Till next time.